Traditional website blocker are completely useless. You block a domain string, you get annoyed and just hit disable. So I built an AI cognitive guardian in Python. Instead of reading text URLs, it uses real-time computer vision to look at my active screen status, map it into a deep interference pipeline, forcefully hijacks the operating system to drop the window out of frame if I stay off course. Here is how I split the architecture across 3 functional files and how you can deploy it in 2 days. To make this highly responsible for complex machine learning tasks, we avoid slow screenshot libraries that cause massive computational frame rate latency. We split the pipeline clearly. First, data collection, where we capture and manually label raw desktop window matrices. Second, STCB, our core script, where we train our custom classification layers onto a pre-trained backbone. And third, run blocker, which function as our continuous system control daemon. Let's dive straight into the core layout. Our data collection layer utilizes Python library mss.mss to map the raw pixel frame matrices straight out of the active hardware window buffer. Look at this implementation loop. We fetch the browser region and fed the processed array into a OpenCV rendering pipeline. By blending key condition with cv2.wait key, pressing A flushes the screenshot directly into our localized safe directory, while hitting S tag it right into the prohibited category. This build a preassigned group truth dataset matching our exact layout dimension instantly. Next is ctcb.py, our AI generated script to make a small tracking dataset waterproof. We implement a dense artificial data multiplier user using Keras image data generator. We apply random rotation, zoom, shift and horizontal flip so our model train layout context rather than the static pixel. We normalize our data range between zeros and ones, resizing incoming phrase to exactly 224 by 224 and hook up them into a pre-trained MobileNet V2. V2 feature backbone running 10 training epoxies flashes our optimized binary weight right out into an independent file content model.h5. Finally, run blocker.py boots up to act as our active runtime system supervisor. Continually grab the system screen array, convert the channel alignment from BGRA to standard RGA, and drop the matrix into model.predict. The moment our model evaluate an active state confident exceeding 85% prohibited. Fire shot, our control loop activate it capture the targeted thread query using gw.getWindow with title and calls a hard window minimization. We break a 3-second cooldown sleep directly into the system loop to allow window animation to clear up without bottlenecking the CPU thread. By shifting our strategy away from basic URL matching string and moving into deep local visual, we create an ironclad protecting sheet. The entire 3-part source code setup is available right now on the repository link down in the video description block. Leave a comment outlining the specific automated model or OS control layer I should connect this engine to next. Subscribe for more full architectural build and I will catch you in the next code review.